Hey. No. You're welcome, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Is my husband back from work?
No. He's not yet back. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, I've missed you.
I've searched for it, I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love? It changed, you are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife for better.
Our wife.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
When did you come?
I came yesterday. You're welcome. Come and sit.
Thank you.
Hope you're okay.
Yes, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, kill you dear. What have you come here to do? Eh? What are you doing here? Eh?
I have come to see my husband.
Which husband? Charity, which husband? Now leave this place. Leave here now!
Mama, it's a lie. Allow her. This is her husband's house. What is it?
Gozie, I have had enough of your trouble this afternoon. Stay out of this. Charity, I'm going to leave. Stay up, sister.
Mama, she has to stay and defend her right. This is her husband's house. Allow the girl to rest.
Charity, leave. You want me to push you?
I'm not going anywhere.
Huh?
You heard her.
You are not going anywhere.
Like Gozie rightly pointed out, this is my husband's house.
It's your home.
And frankly speaking, Mama, I think I have had enough from you.
It's your home. Look at her guts.
Now you are talking. Possess your possession. Mama, this is her husband's house.
Eh?
You heard what she said.
She should possess her possession.
Yes.
She should possess her possession.
Yes, she has to defend her rights.
Charity, you came to possess your possession, eh? Okay. Wait. Let me go in and come out. You will possess your possession.
Let me go
in and come out and see you possess your possession. You want to possess your possession, yeah? You want to possess your possession? I am coming for you. Wait for me.
See, don't mind her. Just relax yourself. Nothing will happen.
My brother, please. Just tell me what you want and I'll give you.
Name anything you want. He can give you, please.
One more word from you two, I'll blow off your head. Now go on your knees. On your knees!
Please don't kill us, please. Please don't kill us, please. I am begging you, don't kill us.
Really? You think I wanted to kill you? If I had wanted to kill you guys, I would have done that long ago if I had wanted to kill you. But I brought you two here for a purpose.
Purpose?
Yeah.
What purpose?
Do you know the reason why this man here wants you dead? This man wanted you dead because of your wife. I mean, he wanted to kill you to take back your wife.
No, that can't be possible. No, you know it's not possible. It's not
What?
possible.
Ralph wants me dead? Yes. How? No, that's impossible.
No, it's not possible. No.
This is my friend. He can't wish me dead.
No, I can't do such a thing.
Really? Yet he contracted me to kill you just to take over your wife.
No, it's not possible. No, I can't do such a thing. It's not possible. He's lying.
What?
Now, will you tell him the truth before I blow off your head? Tell him the truth! Start speaking immediately!
Alright, please don't shoot me, please.
Alright, start speaking.
Ben, I am sorry. Everything he said, I did it. I am sorry for everything. Charity, your wife, happened to be my girlfriend. And I invested so much in her. And she abandoned me and got married to you. So I was desperate to have her back. Please forgive me. It was out of frustration, please. Please forgive me. You can see things to yourself. Please forgive me. I'm on my knees already. Please, just forgive me.
Ralph! You wanted me dead?
I wasn't myself. It was out of frustration. Please.
Ralph, you wanted to kill me, your friend!
It was out of frustration.
Me!
Please forgive me.
Quiet! You're a wicked person.
You're so very wicked.
Have you been attacked before?
Yes, I have.
Alright. This man here is responsible for the act. He mistook me for my twin brother Ikenna. Just wanted me to kill him. Please. He never knew I'm a police detective.
Ralph! You wanted me dead?
Please forgive me.
Ralph, if this man was an assassin, I could have been dead!
My God, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
God punish you!
God, thank you. Punish me. Please forgive me. It was out of frustration.
Hello? Where are you guys? Alright, I'll be waiting. Yeah, don't keep me waiting. The police will soon be here.
Please now. We can sort it out now. He's my friend. Please.
You are a wicked man.
I invested so much
Hey! Eh?
He's in police custody.
Wait, brother. You mean that someone you called your friend did this to you?
Look at her. Look at her. She's the cause of all this. My son would have been dead because of her.
Mama, please stop. Stop accusing her. She has done nothing.
Hi.
Charity didn't tell me she had something to do with Raphael before I got married to her. That's my annoyance.
Ifrodi. Ifrozi. Ifrodi.
Hey, please. I am very sorry I didn't tell you. Raphael wanted to marry me in the past. And he wanted to marry me forcefully, but I refused.
Onyasai. Osia. Liar. Ben, don't listen to her. Her mission here is to destroy you. But I, Maria, will not allow that to happen. I will not.
Charity. For the second time, I'm very disappointed. I truly am.
Sorry. Listen. Go back to your mother now. Leave this place and go back to your mother. It is over between you and my son. Let me not come out here and see you here again. Oh. Start going now.
See, don't microcommand my mother. You're going nowhere. Don't just listen to any of them. Please. Just relax.
How is it my fault? How is it my fault that Raphael wanted to kill my husband?
I know it's not your fault, but just relax yourself. You're going nowhere. Just relax yourself. See, I will make sure that everything is sorted out. My business can wait for now. Just calm down.
Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, for better, for worse.
Thank you for standing by me, Zia. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
beg you, do not tell anyone that you saw me today. I beg you.
Who am I going to tell? Toby was arrested by the police.
He was what? When? What happened?
It's a long story. He took me hostage in his house because of you.
He did.
The 7th day, police surrounded his house, arrested him, charged him for drug trafficking.
Drug trafficking? The same reason why I quit my relationship. Why can't he change?
I was arrested alongside with him. But after my statement, they freed me.
I'm so sorry about that, please.
It's okay, forget about it. So, have you heard from Ben?
No, I haven't. But I'm working on going to see him. I need to visit his house because he has to fulfill his promises. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to see you. Forgive me.
I missed you.
Forgive me. So where are you going to?
I want to see a friend here.
Just here?
Yeah, close by.
I think I'm going to go with you because we have a lot of talk to catch up with. Okay, because we have a lot to catch up with. Yeah. So, wow, you look cool. I missed you. You know, we have a lot of talk. You.
Oh yeah? Who's there? Hold on for us, the classic game man. Okay, what? Who?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hey, no. There's no need to introduce yourself. You are an angel made by God for God himself. Hey, no.
I'm looking for Mr. Ben. Is he around?
Okay, my Oga Ben, Esquire. Esquire.
Yes.
He's around.
So I can actually go in, right?
Yes, with all pleasure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Hey. Jesus. I have to ask her if you have a sister, a younger sister.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to see Mr. Ben. Is he around?
You're here to do what?
To see Mr. Ben.
You're stupid. You have the nerve to walk into my compound requesting to see my man? You? Get out! Get out of this place.
Good afternoon, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon. Oyibom, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. I'm here to see Mr. Ben.
My son?
Yes.
Who are you?
My name is Clara, ma.
Clara. I think I have heard that name before. Oh, Clara. The woman who is pregnant for my son. Oh, my daughter. Hey, you're welcome. Nebo Yibo. You're welcome. Oh,
Thank you.
come inside. Let's go inside.
Okay. I said get out!
Charity.
Give him it. Charity did what? She's not stepping her foot into my house, Mama. She is not entering my house. She's not entering. Charity. Get out of my house! Mama, it's because your mama.
Charity,
It's because your mama. That's
if
why
I
I'm
stop you,
expecting Mama, stop this thing you're doing.
Margo, like Jacob. Come out of my house.
Margo, don't enter my house.
Friday, as I'm talking to you right now, hey, an angel is in our house. An angel visited our house and nearly touched her feet. An angel, I'm telling you. How? If one has some man cannot tell you. An angel of God, created by God, for God. Hey, go inside and see by yourself. Me, go inside and see angel. Angel is a ghost. There is no how you go carry this your naked eyes, this your crocodile eyes, see an angel. You don't start this your mumu again. I will call one bingo for you. Hey! Chokwan! Now me they call mumu. Friday, I am your senior in this house. Now me employ you. Not they raise your hand for me. It's trouble go sack letter. Oh no, your look.
let me tell you, if there is any security in this house, it's this dog. Leave all these things you are doing. Anu Papa.
Bingo, calm down, Olube, calm down.
Make you know they carry yourself like security, you know be security. Yes. Don't come here. Don't come me.
Friday. Friday, you are talking to who? Mama Ekulugu. Uncle can neko beba. Uncle can.
Mama, I'm very happy you're here. So like I said before, Clara is pregnant for me. And my intention is to make her my second wife.
My son,
Mama.
what do you need a second wife for? You have to reverse your decision.
Mama, no. I have to make Clara my second wife.
Clara can never be your second wife. See, this is my point. Charity has to go back to her people so that you can marry the woman who is pregnant for you.
That is a lie from the pit of hell.
Hey!
I am not leaving this house.
Onyekwuzi.
Bitch! There is no place for you in my house. Ben is my husband. And we will stay married till death do us part.
Charity! You have failed as a woman. It is over between you and my son.
Mama,
you want to challenge my authority of here?
Bitch! There's no place for you here. Go and get a man for yourself. This man here is taken.
Charity! I can't go get Simenu. Okay, you want to challenge my authority? You shall see.
Find your way out of my house.
You're highly welcome. Oh? Hey!
Stay, I'm coming.
Ben, calm down. I have said it all. This is your wife. This is the woman I am seeing as your wife.
Mama, listen to me.
Oh yeah, Cham.
No. Mama, listen to me. Let's have this conversation peacefully.
How?
There's no point fighting or having
this. You're welcome. Oh? Thank you. You're highly welcome.
Thank you.
Relax yourself. Omali Cham. No, they no akugo. Nwa salaro na mmili. Sacha sia mwaro. Dele puime. Ngutu mfucha afu ime. Nwoga nwolo mje ko ubi na ebe na for anything. You're welcome. Oh? Thank you. Let me go in and prepare something for you. To enjoy yourself.
Mama, I'm tasty. Can I have some water?
I'm getting it for you. Good one. You get one. I'm getting it. Oh? No. Hey. No.
Now you tell me, what kind of a man are you? What?
Clara, you really need to calm down so I can explain things.
Explain what to me?
I need to explain things
What do you want to explain to me? No, you tell me. Listen to me. It is either you go out there, serve her the first papers, just like you promised your mother, else I will go. Just pick one and make it snappy.
Clara, listen to me. I know I promised to marry you. I will. But I can't divorce Charity. I can't do that. It's impossible.
I didn't hear you right.
I said I'll marry you, but I can't divorce Charity. That's impossible.
Hey!
I can't do that. I'm sorry.
You cannot divorce Charity.
I'll marry you. I'll keep to my promise, but I can't divorce Charity.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I guess you do not have a choice. You must divorce her. What the hell is she doing here? Listen to me, woman. I'll answer her. Listen to me. I have given you enough respect. But don't you. It is obvious that you do not have common sense. Because you cannot conceive for your husband. Why can't you just take yourself as a man that you are and just get out? Why?
Wait.
Ben, ask her to leave. Or you ask me to leave with your child. So you see, I am going nowhere. You are a man in the woman's spot.
You will leave my house! This minute!
Out, I said. She slapped me. She slapped me and you're
And I
jumped.
will slap you again if you don't leave this instant, you bitch!
Let me handle this. Let me handle it.
Get out!
Charity, she's slapping her.
I am waiting for you. Just continue to stay with this man with you. Do you understand me? Don't come to my room. Rubbish.
Benjamin?
Where is the love? I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love? It changed up. You are breaking.
Good afternoon.
So it is you. Eh? So it is you, this bush baby, that has been causing all these big problems in my brother's marriage. Akoye? It is you.
I beg your pardon? Excuse me?
Kabro can excuse me. Because if you ever open that filthy, dirty, expired, irritating mouth again to tell me to excuse you, I will so slap you in rainbow color that even your local government chairman will not recognize your face when he sees you. Unyala.
Well, you know, it is very clear to me that the dog we have in our compound ain't that smart anymore. So therefore, my loving husband, my sweet husband, decided to import a Mongolian dog. But it's something he forgot. To give you an anti-tetanus, you know, for your sickness. You sound biased, you sound sick. Your flu is actually, disturbing your upstairs. You are high on some cheap drugs, aren't you? Let me tell you something you don't know, Mr. Man. Before I came to this house, I came here prepared. Not even a crunked urchin like you will take me out of this house. Get that into your numbskull.
Oh, you came prepared. Just get ready to have high blood pressure because I will give you times 20 of it. Unyala.
You are
Came to rip that you did not sow.
Godzie,
Get out.
Don't touch me again.
why are you embarrassing my wife? What is your problem?
Who is your wife? This husband snatcher is your wife.
Hey.
Just get ready because your high blood pressure will be more than high. That does not happen.
Godzie, Bionible nonsense, Godzie. Go inside.
Ma, it's okay.
Go inside the house.
Ma, it's okay. Let me reply him. You know, I told him earlier on, if only they gave him an anti-tetanus, he wouldn't be barking like a cheap dog. But you know, I think next time I'll tell my husband to import a Zimbabwean dog that barks slightly and more romantic.
Don't mind him, okay? Don't mind him, eh?
Okay.
As far as I'm concerned, Ben is going to send Charity out of this house and bury you. Simple. Don't mind him.
You are sick.
Listen.
You need an anti-tetanus.
Leave this
on your
boy
Botox.
alone. Leave him alone.
You are taking through your nose. You need to take properly through your medulla oblongata.
It's
Don't
okay.
worry.
It's okay.
Get ready for the war.
Go inside the house.
Mama, please, stop talking to him.
Don't mind him.
The sickness is transferable.
See, as far as I'm concerned, Ben is just Charity out of this house and marry you.
But sorry, Mama, let me ask you a question. What the hell is that?
He's my son.
Your son?
Forget it.
Mama, you're not sick. Why would you give birth to a sick biased
It's
woman?
okay. That's my son. What will I do? Listen, in the next 8 months, my grandchild will arrive. Hey! I thank God the day my son found you. You are indeed a blessing.
Thank you, Mama.
Akugum.
Mama.
Amoma Saru.
Mama.
Don't mind him.
Mama, please, I need to go get some juice. This has been infected.
Are you done with the
Yeah,
drink?
I'm done with it, Mama. But I hope you talk because he might bite you.
Yeah, go see it.
Charity is pregnant. How come? It's unbelievable.
Baby. What's the matter?
Huh? Are you truly pregnant?
What sort of a question is that? You saw the test result and it confirms that I am 2 months pregnant. Didn't you?
I'm only trying to be sure.
Of what?
I'm just wondering.
About what? What are you wondering about?
Just look at her. I know she's not pregnant.
Babe, what's wrong?
Leave me alone, leave me.
Huh? What happened? What is it?
You, where have you been? Where have you been since I've been going around the house looking for you?
I was on the phone to talking to a client.
You were on the phone talking to a client or you were sitting down talking to a man beside you?
No, I...
Shut up, baby. You're making me feel hot.
What happened?
I'm having cramps and my baby is kicking. Take me upstairs and massage my legs for me. And this time around, you will promise not to leave my side again.
Now?
Like now!
Okay, let's go.
No, you stay in front. I need to be sure you're going the same direction with me.
No, I have to be behind you so I can hold you properly. Yeah, let's go.
Take it easy.
Yes.
Hey, easy. If you know the way you were doing it gently before, just take it easy with me because
I want to...
Easy. Take it easy to be pregnant. What way you're going to now? If you match me again, I will give it to you hot this evening.
I'm sorry, please.
Concentrate now, focus. Look where you're going to. I just want you to take it easy. Do you know what you're now? Easy now.
Yes, very.
If you match my slippers one more time, you will not like me this afternoon. Look where you're going to now. Why are you taking me to the chair? Look at where you're going to. Focus. Think it's easy to be pregnant. Come and massage my waist.
This girl is an agent of darkness. Sent from the pit of hell to destroy my marriage.
Is that not Clara? Oh, because she's now pregnant, that is why she stopped picking my calls. Interesting. We shall see.
My heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse. It's desperate. I'm gonna be a watcher, I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate, is desperate to bite. I'm gonna be a watchdog.
Mrs. Ben. That's when Charity is calling me. Yeah, hello, Charity. Very well. Have you shown your husband the pregnancy result test? Okay. You mean Ben is doubting you? It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Don't let this bother you. Don't let it bother you. Everything will be all right. Okay? Please don't get worked up. But why is Ben like this? I mean, why is he like this? Why? I just know at the end of the day he will calm down.
You say you are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watcher.
Shouting my name like that.
Mama, you will not believe what I am about to tell you now.
What happened?
Mama, Sister Charity just called me that she is pregnant.
It's a joke. You are not serious.
A joke? Mama, so I had to run all the way, marathon race, to come and joke. No. That is not even the news. The good news is that she is already 2 months pregnant, Mama!
2 months pregnant?
2 months pregnant!
God, you are so wonderful. So, my daughter is no longer barren. She's not a barren woman.
Yes, so.
Hey.
There is nothing like barrenness in our family. Hey. Shame on our enemies, Mama.
God,
shame on our enemies.
I thank you, God. I thank you.
Jehovah Jireh, mewoya. Agune jembe mewoya. Omeya nongeya. Mewoya. Jehovah Jireh, mewoya. Agune jembe mewoya. Omeya nongeya. Omeya. Jehovah Jireh, mewoya. Agune jembe mewoya. Omeya nongeya. Omeya. Jehovah Jireh, mewoya. Agune jembe mewoya. Omeya nongeya. Omeya. Jehovah Jireh, mewoya.
Freya.
Mama, I don't understand. What is it, Freya? What are you trying to say?
Charity is not pregnant. Charity. I know her pranks. I have met her kind severally.
Mama, there is no way on earth that Charity will lie against her pregnancy. So why are you doubting her? Could you feel a shaky?
Listen, Gozie. I know she still wants to remain in my son's house. That is why she's doing all that. But once Clara puts to bed, I'm going to throw her out of the house.
Mama, you will do no such thing to her. You will do no such thing to that girl. Besides, were you not the same person that said that Charity is a barren woman?
Gozie.
So why are you afraid to welcome her baby?
Gozie, you are the reason Charity remains in that house. So, and if I want to go, it is because of you that Charity remains in that house. But Charity can see not in that house. So,
Mama, that is her husband's house. So Clara or whatever she's called is nothing but an intruder. So she should be the one to leave the house.
Clara is the legitimate wife to my son.
I say.
Simple.
Mama, no problem. You have succeeded in getting Ben to marry 2 wives. No problem. Get ready to dance the Makosa dance before Gakuginisi. Because you are the one spoiling that Clara.
Ben is not marrying 2 wives, so Charity must leave the house.
Mama, you don't have talk. Excuse me.
Charity must go.
Bring the Clara in.
Clara is the wife to my son.
Yeah.
Simple.
Okay.
Say you are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watcher. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. Ready to bite. I'm gonna be a watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate.
Yes, come in.
He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog.
Sit down.
Good day, Mr. Doctor.
Yeah, good day, Barrister Ben. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Sit down.
Thank you.
So, how's the work and family?
Fine.
Good.
Everyone is fine.
Good.
Doctor,
Yes.
are you aware that my first wife is pregnant?
Of course, I'm aware. Of course.
Is it real or it's a prank?
It is real. It is not a prank.
You know, you whack doctors, you whack untrained doctors, go around playing with people's intelligence. Did you not tell me I had a low sperm count and couldn't make my wife pregnant?
Oh, please, Barrister
Answer the
Ben.
question. Please. Answer the question. Did you not tell me I had a low sperm count and could not make my wife pregnant? Thank God I didn't fall for that prank. It's a shame, Doctor. And I strongly believe your license should be taken away from you.
Please. I take exceptions.
It's a shame. Have a great day.
I take exception.
Have a nice day.
I take exceptions to this, Barrister Ben.
You are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. Ready to bite. I'm gonna be a watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody.
Yes, what is it? What do you want?
Clara, I need just 1 million and I will never disturb you again. I promise you.
So where do you expect me to get 1 million naira from? No, you tell me, where?
Can you stop arguing with me and think of how to raise the money?
Mr. Man, I do not have any money to give to a loser like you. I don't have money. I don't.
Listen, you have no option, Clara. You have from now till weekend to send me the money. Else.
This is going to be the last time I will warn you in the name of God Almighty to stop calling me. Don't call this line again. Get off my phone. What is wrong with this guy? Where does he want me to get money from?
This girl is up to something. She ran out here just to take this call.
But you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watcher. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate.
Text message from Nnamdi. Who's Nnamdi?
Clara, last week has gone and you have refused to cooperate with me. I give you another chance to raise the money, else I will expose the source of your pregnancy.
Source of what?
That's Clara's phone. What are you doing with Clara's phone? Huh?
Text message. You have to see this text message.
What?
Benjamin, there's a text message that I want you to see.
What the hell are you doing with my phone? How dare you touch my phone?
I did not mean to touch your phone, but there's a text message. A certain Nnamdi is claiming that if she does not give him the sum of 1 million naira, he will expose the real identity of the person that got her pregnant.
You are sick in the head.
Wait.
See the message. See the message. Get my phone. Are you mad?
Who's Nnamdi?
Yes. Why are you asking me that kind of question? Why would you listen to this demented woman, a woman who is frustrated that she does not even have a child?
Who is Nnamdi? That's the question.
You are frustrated.
You're mad.
You are sick in the head.
Don't think that raising your voice will intimidate us.
What kind of question is that? I will answer you when you get pregnant.
Sir.
Yes, you will see.
No, don't tell me. Look what you are going to say.
Don't tell us who Nnamdi
You
is.
get what I want.
You should not tell us.
Charity.
I will personally find out who is responsible for the pregnancy.
Don't go and find out why you cannot conceive for your husband. Don't go and find out why you cannot conceive. Don't worry. Don't go and find out why you cannot conceive for your husband until I fling you out of this compound. Barren witch. And you're supposed to have to go through my phone, Omoya.
Did you buy this phone for me?
Did you buy the phone for me? Nonsense. Rubbish and ingredients. Rather. Lo shogombo. Una putana at this house. Nonsense.
I did not mean to touch your phone, but there's a text message. A certain Nnamdi is claiming that if she does not give him the sum of 1 million naira, he will expose the real identity of the person that got her pregnant.
You are sick in the head.
Wait.
See the message. See the message.
Wait.
Get my phone. Are you mad?
Who's Nnamdi?
Yes. Why are you asking me that kind of question?
What does she mean by that? 2 nights ago, Clara demanded for 1 million naira to support her brother's business. Did she actually need that money for a younger brother?
Who are you and what are you looking for?
I guess here is Barrister Ben's house.
Esquire, do you have court case?
Where is the love? I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love?
Good day, young man. You're in my house. What can I do for you?
His name is Nnamdi.
Huh?
Clara here will tell us more about it.
I beg your pardon. Excuse me.
Beg me again.
No, excuse me. You go out there, bring some stupid homo serpent into the house and expect me to explain about it. Mr. Man, do I know you? No. Who are you? Who is this?
Are you trying to deny your words?
Are you alright?
But you know
Is this okay?
we both know you.
Young man, you're in my house. What do you want?
Well, I'm here to tell you that you are not the father of that child she's carrying.
What? You say? Why are you looking at me like that? I don't understand. It's her plan now. Don't you know?
Tell him.
It's her tiny plan, not plan.
Hey. The Nnamdi from the text message. That's him.
Yeah. So how did you know it's Nnamdi from the text message?
Yes, sir. See your husband here.
Just
Seriously.
baby, listen to me. I don't know this person. I don't.
Young man, what's going on?
Well, that child is mine. We had an agreement to get her pregnant, of which I kept my own side. Along the line, she betrayed me and made away with my money. Who is Friday?
Okay. You are very stupid. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you upstairs. Not the very obvious. Oh, you're not all right. You're a useless idiot.
Your husband.
If you don't talk to you again, baby, listen to me. I don't know this man. You know your girl very well, even when we were dating. I'm not liking the no go fresh. I don't like fair guys. Okay, fine. Even if the guy must be fair, it has to be your type of fair. Now, no go. How only today too? No people that are tan fair. Fair what you. How will my body even rise? Oh, that's why I'm getting pregnant for this kind of person. I'm not playing. I don't know him. I don't know this man.
Clara, just calm down. Follow your man. Una,
it is your man.
Maybe you have seen it now.
It is your man. My love, maybe you have seen it. I've seen the real. You are ashamed. You are jealous of my pregnancy.
Hey.
Gamer like you. God has exposed you.
Throw her to me. Dog, wait.
You know how your man here is now?
Hey.
Shim can phone anything. He can get out of this house. Get out of this place. Carry her and go. Carry who? My guy, I'm avoidable. Baby, come. Go. Charity. Hey, Charity.
Let's go.
You are trying me. Carry your wife. That was your friend. Baby, how will my wife?
That child is mine.
Charity. You are trying me, Charity. You are sneaky. Hey.
Simon girl.
Charity.
Barrister Ben, is everything all right?
No. I need your help. Listen to me. I need to find out who's responsible for Clara's pregnancy. I need to know who the father is.
I don't understand. Are you not the father of the unborn child?
I doubt that. Reason I'm here to ask you, will a DNA test help?
Any advice I give him now might work against me.
Doctor, you're not saying anything.
Yes, I will talk. What did you just say?
I said, will a DNA test determine the paternity of Clara's unborn child? And Charity is not left out. Because I don't trust anyone.
Wait a minute. Barrister Ben, why this change of attitude? You doubted me when I told you you cannot impregnate a woman because of your low sperm count.
Doctor, I am not here for arguments. I'm a trained lawyer. I need proof.
Yes. But it will cost you a lot of...
I don't care how much it is. I'll pay. Just do the job.
Say you are Lene, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate.
What is going wrong with him? And what if he finds out the truth? What if? I am so excited that finally that God has answered Charity's prayer. At least she has proven to my family and to the world at large that she is not a barren woman. I am the happiest person on earth.
I am happy and grateful to God that finally my sister has been vindicated. And God has proven to the world that she is not a barren woman.
At all.
Our enemies has been put to shame.
See, my annoyance is this, that my brother wouldn't have gotten another wife if he had listened to me. My mother just pushed him to do what he did not want to do. Now see, he couldn't even look at his wife's face and my mother couldn't even call. Her shame now is times 2.
It is okay, Gozie. The deed has already been done. Let us not start blaming your brother or your mother. My only prayer is that your brother will come back to his senses and realize that what he did to my sister was very wrong. I just pray that he will know that what he did was very, very wrong. But it's okay.
Just calm down. So, where are you heading to?
Okay, you know Ijoma, my friend, now.
Yes, I know.
I was going to her house to see her before I met you.
Okay. Greetings to her.
Bia, Chigozie. But you have not told me what you're doing in our village every time. What do you come here to do?
My friend, shut up. See, my customer stays down the street, so he called me to come and collect my balance. And I don't have it. No. Just remove your mind from that.
Ngwanu, let me go and see my friend. Greet your mother when you get home.
Sure. Greet Ijoma for me, yeah?
I will know.
Bye-bye.
I came back yesterday. How was your trip? It was successful. I thank God. So, has the truth been revealed about your husband's mistress? Not yet. My sister, I'm so happy for you. You are now pregnant for your husband. That girl will be thrown out as soon as the truth is made known.
Felicia, there's a problem.
Problem? How? Talk to me.
I need you to advise me.
Okay.
Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog.
Doctor, I'm running out of patients. What does the result say?
Calm down, Barrister Ben.
You're supposed to come here with your wives. Listen, I came alone. I didn't come with them. This is between you and I, alright? Just go straight to the point.
Can I say something before we can...
Doctor, I'm here for the results. Every other thing can wait.
Okay, I'll start with Clara's.
Please go ahead.
From the results, you're not responsible for Clara's pregnancy.
Next. Doctor, I'm waiting. Next.
Charity is not pregnant.
What? Doctor, is this some type of joke?
Barrister Ben, why would I want to joke with a thing like this? You see, Mr. Ben, the pregnancy result Charity showed you was forged. You see, her motive was to win back your love and trust. Barrister Ben, you and I know you're responsible for your childless condition.
The other women took advantage of your stupidity, stubbornness, and pride. Got impregnated by another man and placed the responsibility on you. I would advise you go back to your wife. She will conceive if only you do the needful. You see, low sperm count is curable. It is not an incurable disease. Think about it, Barrister Ben.
Friday, my brother. That Oyibo wey dey shine like mami water wey rub bleaching cream. Thank you, don't shout. You know I dey toilet as Oga dey shout.
They scream on top of his voice. No let Jacado to any go anywhere. What is it? What's up? Let me gist you. Oga talk say you bring get the belle wey that Oyibo carry.
As I dey talk to you like this now, Oga and Madam dey inside.
Hey, Mbano. Come. Now joke you the joke. I you the lie.
Friday.
I resemble comedian to you.
Sometimes. Sometimes. I don't blame you.
But come. You mean Auntie Oyibo? They knock outside. Another man they knock the apako. Knock. So the belle come out. You can give her Oga.
Friday.
This one I imported belle. No be Oga even order for am. Now me open gate for am. Just and come out for this compound. You know me again.
I no believe you.
You no believe me?
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. And you allowed it. You allowed it. Are you not the chief security of this house? Huh? And they will secure house and including everybody.
And they want them when they inside they knock am. And then they pull and
they even when they were knocking outside. All security came.
I go sack you.
Saka.
Friday.
Huh?
I will sack you.
Saka. Saka.
How am I supposed to know? Do I look like a pastor? Now me the day inside when they do the knocking. Now me the whole touch for them.
What will be your work?
Secret.
You're securing everybody, yes.
But not the inside room.
Everything.
Friday. I go sack you. I don't talk am before.
No, now me go answer that question. Give you. Idiot.
This boy, they useless for this house. I don't know how they take carry this boy come this house. You know they even help matter at all.
The heaven and sex secretary of this house.
Small time now you go down turn to him, bring your hand like this. Idiot, come here I tell you another thing again.
My in-laws. I feel so ashamed of myself. However, I apologize for everything that happened. I take responsibility. I promise to do better. And I also promise to do what the doctor instructed so we can start having children as soon as possible. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise to never do them again. Thank you.
My in-laws. Ogon, Biko Baran. Oh, forgive me. Forgive us. It was all my fault. I was the one who misled my son by mounting so much pressure on him. I beg all of us to just forgive all that has happened and move on as one family. Please.
My in-laws, please find it in your heart to forgive and forget. Makandeba in sinner, Nke Dineru Ka. It means the future is bright. I beg of you people.
I don't even know where to start from. I have heard all you said. Who am I not to forgive? After all, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. There is nothing like peace and happiness.
Yeah.
I forgive you.
Oh, thank you, my in-law. Thank you very much. Thank you, my in-law. Oh, God bless you. Darling, oh, thank you. My wife.
Why this sudden
Thank you.
my love? You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse.
My love. From the bottom of my heart, I apologize for everything I did. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise to never do them again. I'm sorry. Please.
You say you are Lene, but you behave like a kid. Why?
Thank you.
Somebody's desperate.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless your marriage with the fruit of the womb.
Amen.
There will be no problem between you and your husband again.
Amen.
And in 9 months' time, we shall all gather here again to celebrate our newborn baby. Babies! Oh, I'm sorry, all babies. Babies!
Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog.
Huge one.
Sorry, can I get you something to drink?
Yes.
Alright.
She's desperate.
A cup of celebration. Yes, we need to celebration. Yes.
Our wife is back again.
Yes.
Welcome.
I will fight you. So be careful how you page. I'm gonna be a thorn on your flesh. No go area if it's trouble. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate.
Hey, you're never on time. You're always wasting time. Why?
Sometimes I apply slow motion, taking it easy.
Even you. That's it.
Somebody's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. You say you are Lene, but you behave like a
Very soon now, Madam will give birth to Junior Barrister. Junior Ben Esquire. This is how it's supposed to be.
I'm gonna be a watchdog.
Amigo, you are happy too. I'm happy you are happy. Amigo, this is how it's supposed to be.
watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate, he's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog, a watchdog. Somebody's desperate, she's desperate. Oh, I'm ready to bite like my dog. I will fight you to the end. This is my right. You can't take it. I will fight you. So be careful.